Hello everyone, today we are going to make three animals. They are hedgehog, turtle and a bird. First, we are going to make a turtle. To make a turtle, we need to have a semicircle and three sectors. Let's start. First, we need to have the glue and paste it on the semicircle. And we need to paste it over here. And now take one sector and paste it here. And now take another sector and paste the glue. And now paste it over here. And the legs and the body are done. And now we are doing the head. Take some glue on it. We need one sticker for the eyes. And the turtle is done. And now let's make the hedgehog. To make the hedgehog, we need one black semicircle, one black sector and one silver sector. First take the black semicircle. And now let's take it out here. And now take the black sector and take some glue. Take the silver sector and make some glue. Now place it over here. And take one sticker for the eyes and the nose. And now let's do the bird. To make the bird, we need two orange sectors and one yellow sector. Take one orange sector and some blue. And now place it over here. And take another orange sector and choose some blue. And next take the yellow sector. paste it over here. And take the sticker for the eye. And the 3 animals are done.